Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you quickly how to use my script, and without further ado, let's get right into it. So first of all, we go to workspace and convert our workspace into motion, and for some people it might show you this. All you have to do is click here, create frame animation, and for some people also it might show you this timeline. All you have to do is come over here, convert to frame animation. Simple as that. So yeah, after you've converted to frame animation, all you have to do is come down to scripts, click on browse, and go to where you've saved my script. All you have to do, load script, and it's going to pop up some messages, and please do read through them so you understand it better, but it really doesn't matter because I will still attach a file to it, to the script, so you read that also. So yeah, it's going to show you ready to animate, tell you how many layers are in your Photoshop file, the frames it's going to do, and the duration, and you're going to click on continue. Scratch disk usage will be minimized because the last update had a little problem with the minimization. So you click on yes, and it's going to work very fast, like I mean 0.5 seconds, depending on how many layers are on your Photoshop files, but it doesn't mean it's not going to be fast. So yeah, click on OK. What would have took me like, let's say 20 to 30 minutes is done in like 3 or 4 seconds. And yeah, this is the final animation. It's final animation. If you want to change the time, which some people want to do, obviously you just have to click on shift and select everything on the layer, or I don't know, is Ctrl A going to work? Nah, Ctrl A won't work. But yeah, click on everything on the layer, and then just click on how many seconds you want the duration of each frame to go for, and then you just click on that. And obviously this is slow. I really don't like when mine is slow, so I just go with 0.2. And then yeah, we click on the first frame, and that's it for the animation script. I really hope you enjoy using it. It's very like a time saver. There is no AI used or nothing like that, all done by me. So please do well to reach out to me if you have any issues with the script, but I assure you won't have any. It works for any version of Photoshop and over 5,000 layers. I've tried it. If you want me to try it on a Photoshop file with over 5,000 layers, do comment under the post, but I really assume that not everyone has 5,000 layers of Photoshop, because what the fuck are you manipulating about? So I realized that I didn't say how to export in that last video. So it's very simple, very simple to export. There are many ways to export from Photoshop, but I'll just take you through on different ways you can do it. You can easily convert this back to this video timeline. As you can see here, it still works normally, and then all you have to do is click on these 3 bars and you see render video over here, and it will show you all this stuff, same thing. But if you don't really want to do that, you can still convert back to your frame animation, and then you come over here and you see export, and you click on render video down here, and it's going to still take you to the same place. Simple as that. And then you put in the custom size you want. If you're working on like a thumbnail, you can click on any of these. If you're working on I don't know, a poster, I feel you have to impute that here, the size you want. But I'm just going to do a quick like breakdown on how you can do that. So this layer is a 3000 by 3000 layer. If I want to export it in a high resolution, I can go for 4000 by 4000, but it doesn't allow me to. So I think the highest is 2K resolution. So all I have to do is just take a bam, and everything is in equal size, high quality, obviously. And then why the fuck is this shit changed? Sorry guys. Yeah, and you click on render. It's obviously going to render it in, like, let's say a minute or two tops. I don't know, it depends on your GPU or your CPU, but rendering or exporting the video is really not a problem per se. It's actually animating it, because that takes time. So my GPU is, I won't say outstanding, but good. So it is going to just export in like a few seconds. And yeah, that's all for exporting the video.